Anna, area beaches. Tuesday, sunny, high temperature around 81. Wednesday, sunny, high near 83. Charleston, area beaches. Tuesday, partly cloudy, high near 81. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for a dam break on the Crooked Creek below Lake Wallace Dam in central Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. At 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported the failure of Lake Wallace Dam causing flash flooding downstream on the Crooked Creek. The following hazards are expected: flash flooding from the failure of Lake Wallace Dam. Source: Emergency Management. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of areas downstream from the Lake Wallace Dam along the Crooked Creek. The nearest downstream town is Shady Rest Community and Richardson Park Community in Bennettsville. This includes the following streams and drainages: Crooked Creek. Flooding is occurring along the Crooked Creek. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flash flood warning for a dam break on the Crooked Creek below Lake Wallace Dam in